Greetings. Today we're going to talk about how to install puck lights that are dimmable and bicolor. In this case we have a yellow color and a red night light color. Pretty cool, right? Let's get started. What's great about electrical work is you can bench test everything. So we've set our bench top power supply to 12 volts. So these are the X Light, and they the little puck light, I got one pushed into a 2 1/4 inch hole there. So just talking through our system here, we have the X Light dimmer, and the benefit of these is they're supposed to have a red and a white light. So looking at our wiring, we have black to black from the puck light, that's a negative. We have red to red, that's a positive. And then we have blue to blue, that's a secondary. And those are going to our switch. And then our switch side, white to negative, red to power positive. Now that we got the light working, I'm going to turn this back up to a little over 12 volts. Let's look at, so we're turning off, long press to turn on, and it's not pulling any noticeable watts or amps. So this is very low power. Okay. Let's turn it all the way bright. Come on, get brighter. There it goes. So using this switch is a little tricky. Not gonna lie. I bet there's a lot of returns on Amazon because it's just hard to learn to use this switch. Okay, so max brightness, we're at 0.19 amps and 2.87 watts. So let's turn that down again. Okay, in my application, I'm going to have 2 of these wired together in what I would consider parallel, because they're basically just a branch circuit together. So I'm going to put all my blues together, all my reds together, and never wire hot. Always make sure your power's off when you're wiring. It takes less than an amp to kill you. So red to red, blue to blue, black to black. Ooh, that one doesn't look like it's stuck, so let's fix that. Okay. Flip my pucks back up. Getting some sunset light there. Sun hasn't gone behind the mountain yet. All right, testing again. Oh, we got my reds. That's what I want to see. I guess I was 1. So the long press is like 1 second. So short press, less than a second. And then you can press in until it's as light as it can be. It's getting me to almost 5 watts. Still not any, that's very little power at 0.4 amps, so less than an amp at 12 volts. And then I hold that, I can dim it all the way down. And now we're not even reading on the amps and watts scale. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, maybe 1.5 seconds. 1 1,000, 2 1,000. Okay, I'm starting to get it. 1 1,000, 2 1,000. Okay, 2 second hold, and this is like 1 1,000. And then hold to dim. Turn off, it holds the memory, turn on. Okay, after all that practicing, I got it. We're ready to rock and roll. That should not make noise driving on a bumpy road. Just what we want. And we have light. Let's test our switch. On, off. This is the top of this puck light, and it's solid. I'm feeling really good about that. The rest of the wiring is temporarily buttoned up with some tape. It will be finished better later on in the project, so stick around to see what that looks like in the future. In any case, that is all I got for you today. Thank you for watching, and we will see you around.